Administration is officially appealing a judge's ruling to temporarily block the president from deploying hundreds of California National Guard troops to Oregon. Thanks for joining us tonight for Fox 40 News at 6:30. I'm Nikki Lorenzo. Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace has a look at the legal battle and what to expect moving forward.
Well, President Trump says the troops are needed to protect a key federal immigration facility in Portland. That, as California leaders, including Attorney General Rob Bonta, argue the president is abusing his power.
When Trump breaks the law, I take him to court.
That is exactly what California Attorney General Rob Bonta did over the weekend, joining the state of Oregon in a lawsuit to prevent President Donald Trump from deploying 300 California National Guard troops to Oregon.
It's our National Guard, California's National Guard, not Trump's Royal Guard. Trump can't use our military troops as his own personal police force. He can't turn our cities into his military training ground.
Oregon U.S. District Court Judge Karen Immergut appeared to agree with that, temporarily blocking the president from deploying National Guard troops from Oregon, California, and Texas to Portland. The Trump administration argued the troops are necessary to protect a key federal immigration processing facility amid protests there. But Judge Immergut, herself a Trump appointee, said local law enforcement was well equipped to handle the protests. Now Trump is appealing.
The president has the right to call up the National Guard in cases where he deems it's appropriate.
The case next heads to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals and could ultimately land in the hands of the conservative-leaning U.S. Supreme Court.
The president has won quite a few appeals to the U.S. Supreme Court with its 6-3 conservative majority. Considering the president's success rate in appeals to the United States Supreme Court, he has a pretty good shot of being upheld.
A hearing date has not yet been set. In Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.
Meantime, both the